Welcome to the world of captivating thumbnails. If you are ever scroll through YouTube or any other video platform, you know that a thumbnail can make the difference between your video being watched or completely ignored. In this video, we are diving deep into the act of crafting attention, grabbing thumbnails using the powerful Capcut app. Whether you are a content creator looking to boost your views or just someone eager to make your videos pop up, you are in the right place. Get ready to unlock the secret of thumbnail success, and let's make your content shine better than ever before. Let's make a fundamental of your cool thumbnail. Number 1, clarity. Clear and easy to understand. Number 2, relevance. Directly related to the content of your video. Number 3, high quality imagery to maintain a professional appearance. Number 4, contrast. Creates contrast between the subject and the background to make the thumbnail stand out. Number 5, text. Keep it concise and legible. Number 6, face and expression, emotion and curiosity. Number 7, engagement. Encourage engagement with your thumbnail by using arrows, circles, or other visual cues that guide the viewers at those important elements. Number 8, branding. Incorporate your channel or brand logo consistently in your thumbnail to build recognition over time. Number 9, minimalism. Sometimes less is more. A simple red design thumbnail can often be more effective than a coded one. Number 10, test and iterate. Don't be afraid to experiment with different thumbnail designs and A or B text them to see what resonates best with your audience. So now, I'm going to put this into practice. Firstly, find a clean background and take a picture of your face with motions and curiosity to attract this. And after that, then find a clean background on Google that matches the content of the video, and at least an icon which associates with what your content is about to catch viewers. So after all, go to Capcut and click on Name Project and go to Photos, then upload your background first, and then click on Overlay to import your picture, then find Cutout and you click on Remove Background. After that, add outline if you like and resizes to create in better. So here, I'm going to add text so you can change the font and style of the text. So I type in thumbnail tutorial as simple as that. Then I add icon of what the content is about. So I'm done. It's not, but it's in video form. So let's upload and go to your gallery and then find that video and take a screenshot of it, resize it and save it now. Get nice thumbnail. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more like this.